Is the messiness involved with them?
We're trying to separate the two halves of their souls.
How is that working?
Not very well.
Let me ask this very specific question. Is one half of their souls not doing dark and one half light?
One half is lighter.
One half is lighter.
That's the half that's not from the universe of the souls. The Anunnaki part is infecting the other part. The messy part is we're trying to separate the Anunnaki part that's infecting this other thing and take the Anunnaki into the singularity. Because there's still a chance for the other thing once they get healed. And they were never, ever, ever meant to be together.
Yes.
They're incompatible. The Anunnaki were trying to use this to get into another universe.
Okay. Then I have another suggestion. I'm seeing that part. Soul bubble. See the soul bubble. Is there something that we could bring in, like, almost you could imagine it like putting a hypodermic into something, bringing something into the soul bubble that will seek out and pull out the Anunnaki part?
We're already doing something similar. We're not using a hypodermic because that's too invasive. And they're too, it's like an infection. It has like little tendrils weaving into them. So we've got it under control. It's just a little messy.
Okay, you have a method you're working and it's working. It's just that it's time consuming and messy.
Yes. And to change it now would give what was Anunnaki influence. The Anunnaki have been destroyed.
Yeah.
This is just their influence.
Yes.
Souls. Time to regroup.
Okay.
So if to change our strategy now would not be
it's what you've got is working.
Yes.
Gotcha.
It's slow and it's messy, but it's working. If it doesn't work, we'll try your idea. Or the Time Weaver's ideas, because we can talk to your fellow self and she'll give us pointers.
It's slow, it's messy, but it is something.
Yes.
It is being
It's
done.
like trying to separate two colors of Play-Doh.
Yeah. Yeah.
And if we can get it to just small enough pieces, we can cleanse those to scrub them down. But we need to get the majority of it out.
It's the way, I'm not saying this is correct, but it is the way they treat cancer here. They go and take out the biggest chunk of like a surgery, and then after that, they try to do treatments to shrink what's left.
Not to shrink it. We're not trying to shrink it, we're trying to wash it away.
Wash it away, okay.
With light.
That makes complete sense, yes.
But yes, we have to remove the big chunks to get it to a manageable level to wash with light. But the process is going good. It's just slow and messy. So it may take about a week.
Okay. That's really quite good for a galaxy-sized area.
Yeah.
Yay!
Maybe maybe closer to 10 days, but a weekish. Ish.
Even if it's 2 weeks, that's still good.
No, it's not going to be that long.
I'm glad that it's going well. I'm glad that it's being accomplished. And anything that has been infected by Anunnaki, I'm always very happy when it is gone.
Yes, yes. There are some, like we said before,
yes.
Now, there are some Anunnaki hybrids, but they have gone to the light. They've turned to the lights. We're letting those remain.
Yes, but I'm talking about the culture mindset.
Yes.
Not the individual people.
Yes.